Hey guys, so today we're going to solve the special array problem. Basically, this problem are asking us to check if the given array is special array. Special means at here is if one where adjacent element alternate between even and odd numbers. In example, the pattern must be even, odd even, or odd even odd. For the example, case 1. Case 1 is 2, 5, 8. It should be returned true because the input is even, odd, even. Let's say the case 2 is nums 5, 8, 9, 10. Then I want to return false, so it should be odd number as well, right? 1, let's say. So we need to return false. Why? Because the input is odd, even, odd, odd. And the case 3, if the nums only have one element, we need to return true. And how about like if the given nums is empty? Well, for this, we can ask clarification to the interviewer. If we are during the interview, we can ask like, what should we return if the given nums is empty? Should we return true or false? And another one is the given array are unique, non-negative, and sorted? What is the range of the given input? In example, 1 to 100. So for the solution itself, actually we can use iteration. While how we can solve that, let me show you. First we need to handle where the given array only one or empty, right? I'm assuming if the given array is empty, so we also need to return true. So if the nums.length is smaller or equal to 1, we return true. Then we look through the array where let e is 0, e is smaller than nums.length minus 1, e plus plus. If the nums index e modular by 2 is equal to the next index, which is plus 1 modular by 2 as well, we need to return false. This is to handle case where the adjacent elements are same. In example, even and even. Else we return true. Well, how do I know if my codes are working? Let's do the dry run. Case 1. Let's do this. So for this, the n will be 3, n minus 1 is 2, right? This is length of given array. When the e is 0, e is smaller than 2, then nums 0 modular by 2 is same with nums1 modular by 2. Nums0 is 2 modular by 2 is with nums1 is 5 modular by 2, so this will be 0, this will be 1. Is it same? No, so false. It will continue to the index 1, so 1 is smaller than 2, that is correct. Nums1 modular by 2 is same with nums2 modular by 2. Nums index 1 is 5, right? 5 modular by 2 same with nums index 2 is 8, 8 modular by 2. 5 modular by 2 is 1, 8 modular by 2 is 0. Is it same? No, so false. So we're gonna exit the looping and return true. Well, let's do the time and space complexity analysis, because this we are looping through the given array, right? So it will O in time, and because we don't need any extra space, so it will be O1 space. So this will have O in time and O1 space. Okay, it's accepted. Let's just submit the code. Okay, it's working. I think like that's all from me. See you tomorrow.